To get what you desire, you must go all in.
The other thing that's so interesting about being alive is that you're all in.
For too long, you've been waiting for something to change in your life, distracting yourself from your current reality.
No matter what you do, you're all in. This is going to kill you.
But the truth is, it's 100% on you. The only way you are going to succeed is by going all in.
I think you might as well play the most magnificent game you can while you're waiting.
Going all in eliminates everything holding you back and gives you the highest odds of succeeding. In football, your competition isn't as big as you might think. Everyone might say they want to be a pro, but only a small percentage will actually do what it takes to make it. This is where you can gain an advantage.
If you're going to try, go all the way.
If you are willing to do whatever it takes to achieve your dream, you will. Stop telling yourself things are going to be better, and instead, start making things better. It's time that we go all in and take every drop of potential we have.
There comes a day where being average, being mediocre is just sickening to you.
How much longer are you going to wait? When will you finally say you've had enough of holding yourself back?
There comes a day where push comes to shove, where being mediocre, being like average and just burns and sucks so much. You can't deal with it one more day, and you get off your and you create something that's always been there.
What's so great about going all in is that it leaves you with two outcomes, success or failure. This will obviously stir up a level of fear, but you can use that fear as motivation to push yourself forward. But what does going all in actually mean? By going all in, you put yourself in a state of tunnel vision, only thinking about your goals.
Don't half it. I mean, think about it. If you're gonna do something, you've chosen to do something, whatever it is, easy, hard. If you give it your all and you don't half it, win, lose, draw, get what you want, don't get what you want, whatever the outcome is, if you don't half it, at least you're not gonna have to wonder, would the outcome have been different? What if I did give it my all?
No more procrastinating, no more overthinking, no more putting off training, just straight up full grind to the goals you set. You don't want to look back when you're fully grown and wonder what could have been. What if I did give it my all? That's why you must go all in. We spend too much of our lives waiting for life to happen. Try being the light instead of trying to see it.
You don't have any urgency. You're waiting on life to happen to you. You just think, I have all the time in the world. You're not promised tomorrow. You're not even promised today.
One of the most common reasons that people don't go all out is because they are scared of failing. You'll more than likely make mistakes or look stupid sometimes. Take Ronaldo, for example. At one point, he was terrible at football and had major failures and setbacks. He went through everything that the average person goes through, but instead of letting all his negative thoughts overwhelm him, he stuck to the grind and persevered. Don't get annoyed with failure, but instead use it to your advantage as a motivator. The pressure to go all in makes it so you don't have any excuses, but to put as much effort in as possible, because there is literally no other option. You can't back out. You're fully dedicated. By watching this video, it's clear that you want to be a pro. What you need to do now is stop thinking. Just commit. Commit your life to football and don't look back. Get rid of everything holding you down and sabotaging your success. This means reorganizing your entire schedule to narrow in on your one true purpose, football. You need to let go of all the excuses you are making up in your head, telling yourself it's okay to slack off and take it easy, because they build up over time and are the reason you spend hours a day mindlessly scrolling instead of working on your goals. The window to going pro gets smaller and smaller every single day, and the longer you procrastinate and stay in your comfort zone, the more likely you are to stay at your level and not make it to the pro level. But the truth is, it's completely up to you. You can take action and go all in on your dream. Put 100% effort into it. To take immediate action and remind yourself that you're going to become a professional footballer, comment down below on why you'll succeed and promise yourself that you will put everything you can into the grind. If you want more of these types of videos, subscribe to our channel as we put out videos like this all the time. Stay locked in.